How to review recognized devices on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review recognized devices on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down again. Here you will find activity log, click on it and go down until you find logout actions and other activity, and here you will find it, recognize the devices. Just click on it and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.